Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a shape A, B, C, D, H, G, F, E, and it is formed by cutting a trapezium. E, F, G, H from a rectangular plate ABCD. And we are given the area of this shape. Okay, so this is something that we later will need to use. So the main idea is to have the rectangle minus the trapezium, and one of the length FG is given in terms of x. Find this value of x. Okay, so let's zoom into the shape, and I can see that this length here EH I will need later on, okay, which is essentially 40 minus 15 minus 15, you will get 10. Okay, so that's something that we will need to use later on. And the area of the rectangle ABCD, length times breadth. Okay, so therefore you will see this 40 times 30, 1200 cm square. I will need to minus away the area of the trapezium. So the area of the trapezium, where the parallel side is 10 plus x. The height, well, let's zoom in. So the height will be this, and I will have 30 minus 20, 10. Okay, so from here you can then see that the area of the trapezium will be this, half times the sum of the parallel sides times my height. Okay, and this will give me a value of half times 10 will be 5, then 5 times 10 is 50, and eventually you will get this expression, 50 plus 5x. Okay, once I have this, I will then be able to come up with my equation. The area of the shape is equals to the rectangle, the area of the rectangle minus away the area of the trapezium. And we already know this, 1050. We also know this, 1200. And we will eventually know this, and so I'm going to start to write all this down. Okay, 1050 is equals to 1200 minus 50 plus 5x. This one, please take note, when we minus something we must put a bracket. So I'm going to highlight just to make sure that you all can see clearly. And I'm going to solve this equation now. Negative times positive will become negative. Negative times positive will become negative. Okay. And I'm going to continue to solve. 1200 minus 50 will be 1150. Still have my negative 5x. And I'm going to add 5x on both sides, and I'm going to minus away 1050 on both sides, so that here we'll no more have this, here we don't have the 5x anymore. Okay, so that's something that you will see that the next line I will have a positive 5x here and a negative 1050 here. Okay, because this one will become 0, this one will become 0, so I don't need to write them anymore. So my 5x is equals to 100. Therefore, I just need to divide by 5 on both sides. My x, 1x will be equals to 20. And that's the value of x that they require us to find. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.